Today on MathCoSolves, we'll talk about a complex business challenge that most CPG and retail clients face and how MathCo solved it using the power of data, AI, and strategic thinking. So here's the reality for most CPG innovation and marketing teams. You have a new product idea, you create a few creatives, and then you run a pilot, you run an A/B test. You wait for days and weeks to collect data. And you know where the real problem is? By the time you have all the answers that you're looking for, the market has already moved. You would have been able to do about 4 to 5 different variants, not because that should give you all the answers, but that's because that's all the process lets you do right now. So what if you could really get real consumer insights and responses without having to spend a single dollar before production? So we built a synthetic market simulation framework for a leading CPG brand, which completely changed the way new product development and creative testings are done. So as a brand manager, you start describing the category that you're looking for, the target market, the kind of product that you want to develop, and where they want to play in. And then our agentic AI system gets to work. It starts to mine web trends, social media signals, competitive intelligence, and even utilizes internal context and documents to come up with 2 to 3 product concepts. And these product concepts have the name, the specifications, and including AI-generated product concepts and packaging concepts as part of it. Once the team chooses one of the product concepts, the system generates 3 creative ad variants to overall select and understand different angles of messaging, imagery, and call to action. And this is where it gets really interesting. Instead of using traditional consumer panel, we use public datasets, which has over 1 million synthetic consumer personas, which is semantically filtered for your target audience. And each of these consumer personas react to your product concept and the ad variant, and the purchase intent is sort of evaluated by this method called semantic similarity rating, which is validated against real consumer data of the CPG brand. And as a result, you get a ranked view of your various product concepts, of your different creatives, and why and where and which segment this can really work for you. What used to take months of iterations and months of consumer research now takes just hours. Teams have moved from 4 to 5 variants to unlimited iterations, all pre-launch. We even back-tested our framework against past creative tests done by our client, and we noticed over 90% alignment in the actual consumer response for those. This isn't a replacement for human judgment. It's just a way to ensure that all decisions before launch are made informed and not assumed. And that's what I love about this solution. It lies right at the intersection of R&D, consumer insights, and marketing. All 3 teams benefit, and we deployed this solution entirely on the existing stack of the client. No rip and replace. And at MathCo, that's how we think about AI. It's not a tool you adopt, it's an intelligence you own.